Jacob Ngarivume expressed his concerns about Nelson Chamisa, the opposition leader, stating that he has respect for Chamisa but believes that Chamisa needs a wise advisor due to his recent actions. Ngarivume mentioned that Chamisa resigned from active politics with the CCC but then returned with what he described as an empty message which she found worrisome, and said, however, Chamisa's supporters were quick to respond to Jacob Ngarivume's criticism of Chamisa's message, as they were commenting that don't you have your own party to be worried about? So you resurrected because Chamisa came to pose and work back to his holiday. Chamisa is keeping supporters on a hamster wheel. I think it's time for him to focus on the gospel and endorse a new opposition leader for the new party. Forget about 2023, learn from past mistakes and build a new opposition movement. SADC is complicity and part of the problem is the message is empty to you. Politics in Zimbabwe, everyone will be waiting for Chamisa to say something. Then they got something to say. These are some of the comments that followed the tweet from Jacob Ngarivume that Chamisa's message was empty. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.